Good evening, students. As you know, we were doing exercise 13.6 volume of cylinder. So today we will continue with further questions. Up to question number 4 we have done. Now we start with question number 5. It costs rupees 2200 to paint the inner curved surface of a cylinder vessel 10 meter deep, depth given, that is the h 10 meter, and total cost of painting is given 2200. If the cost of painting at the rate of rupees 20 per meter square, now cost of 1 meter square is given, we have to find inner curved surface, radius of base and capacity of the vessel. So firstly we have to find the surface area. Let us see how to solve. Firstly we write cost to paint, that is rupees 2200. Now cost of 1 meter square rupees 20. So area is divide total cost by cost of 1 meter, that is 110 meter square. Now this is the curved surface area, that is answer of part 1. We have to find the radius. Now we will use the formula of curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH is equal to 110. Put the values, pi 22 upon 7, h10 and curved surface area 110. So R is equal to, calculate this, 110, 7 will be multiplied and 2, 22 and 10 will be divided. After cancellation we will get 7 upon 4 meter. This is our second part. Now in third part we have to find capacity. Capacity means volume, that is pi R square H. Put the values, pi 22 upon 7, R 7 upon 4, as square is, so we will take 2 times, and H is 10. Cancel all these values, we will get 385 upon 4. And if you are finding it in decimal, then you will get 96.25 cubic meter. This is the volume. So this was our fifth question. Now let us start with next question. Capacity of a closed cylindrical vessel of height 1 meter is 15.4 liter. Here H given and volume given. How many square meter of metal sheet would be needed to make it? We have to find its total surface area. Means how much sheet is required to make the cylinder. It means total surface area. For total surface area we need R. So let us see how to find. Firstly volume is given in liter. So we will convert firstly this in cubic meter, as 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter, means 1 liter is equal to 1 upon 1000 cubic meter, and 15.4 liter is equal to 1 upon 1000 into 15.4 cubic meter. So keep this up to here only, we will not further calculate this one, and we will use this value as it is in the formula. This is volume, use the formula pi R square H. Pi 22 upon 7, R we have to find, H is 1. When we solve this, we get R square is equal to 49 upon 10,000, or R is equal to 7 upon 100. In decimal 0.07 meter. Now total surface area we have to find. So formula is 2 pi R into R plus H. Put the values, and after calculation we will get 0.4708 meter square. This is how to find total surface area when volume is given. Now let us start with next question. A lead pencil consists of a cylinder of wood with the solid cylinder of graphite filled in the interior. As you each and everyone you are using the pencil, and you have seen there is graphite, lead, that is the graphite, okay, that is inside the pencil. Outer covering is wooden and inside covering is the graphite. And diameter of pencil given 7 millimeter. Diameter of graphite is 1 millimeter. Length of the pencil 14. Find the volume of the wood and that of the graphite. Separately we have to find. Firstly we will find here. Firstly we will write diameter of pencil, that is 7 mm, and diameter of graphite, that is 1 mm. Length is given 14 centimeter. We convert this also in millimeter, that is 140 millimeter, because 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Now we have to find volume of the wood and volume of graphite. Suppose this is your pencil. Now inside portion there is graphite. So for volume of graphite, we are having the length and radius. We can find its volume, but to find the volume of wood, firstly we find the volume of full pencil and we subtract volume of graphite from it. So let us see. Radius of graphite 1/2 mm, volume pi r square h, 22/7 into 1/2 into 1/2 into 140. 7 2s are 14, 10 to 11, that is 110 cubic millimeter. Okay. Now radius of pencil, that is 7/2 mm, and volume same formula pi r square h, 22/7 into 7/2 into 7/2 into h is 140. 7 7 cancel, 2 2s are 2 here 11 and here 70. 70 into 7 490, multiply 11, that is 0.95390 cubic millimeter. Now we subtract these two to get volume of wood. So here volume of wood is equal to volume of pencil minus volume of graphite. Okay, subtract 5390 minus 110, you will get 0.825, 5280 cubic millimeter. This is your next sixth question. 7. Last question. A patient in a hospital is given soup daily in a cylindrical ball of diameter. Diameter given, cylindrical ball. If the ball is filled with soup to a height h given, how much soup the hospital has to prepare to serve 250 patients? Firstly, we will find the volume, that is the soup served to one patient. Now we have to find for 250, we multiply the volume with 250 and we will get the required answer. So you try this question. If any doubt is clear there, we will clear in the Zoom class. Okay students, thank you.